Dear friends, welcome back to the new video. Very happy as always to greet you. Today I'm in the park right now. Very beautiful sunny day, a little bit cold and windy as you can hear right now, but I decided to share with you some thoughts I have about life, about how I feel it, about how I think about it. And beforehand, I'm very sorry for any noises you can hear because I'm in the park. There are many kids and quite windy, as I said before. So, what I want to say today. In my life, I had so many difficult situations, obstacles, problems, and instead of trusting God, trusting that some good things will come on my way, that I will improve my life, that I will change it, instead of these things, I just worried a lot. I was really disappointed, and sometimes I ask God, like, why me? Like, what happened? Why I have such situation? So I didn't really understand, I didn't really think about that some difficulties, they come to improve us, to make us better, to make our life better, so we can grow, we can develop our skills, we can do something significant just to improve our life, just to enhance it and live better. Because all we have dreams, all we have many goals, all we have things we want to have in our life to get them to live better. But sometimes when we face some challenges, which I'm sure we have all people have them, we become very nervous. We become nervous, we become really stressful, and we don't even think about God. We don't even remember that there is something supernatural in this life, some energy that can rule all our life and make it as we want, as we dream about, just if you will let it do it. So it was my mistake, and I'm completely sure that many people, they make this mistake every single day, because somehow, of course, life is impossible without challenges, life is impossible without difficulties we have, and if we wouldn't have them, like, life just would be stagnation. We wouldn't have some progress, you know. So I should say that in this case it's very important to remember about God, that there is a power that will lead you in life, that will make it better if you will let it to do it, I mean. So I want to say that it's very important to believe in God, to trust it, and to be sure that whatever you do in your life, no matter how many challenges, no matter how many difficulties you have, you will get it, you will do what you need, you will get what you need, and you will become who you want to be. So this is the main point of the video I would like to share with you. And back then, my days, my past, I remember that I had many difficulties, as I said, and if I knew about this, if I thought about this even sometimes, so my life would be much easier, I think, much easier and beautiful, just because I believe that it will be like that. Because you can know that even in the Bible, if you have read it, or maybe you haven't read it, but Jesus said, if you believe, you can move in mountains. And this is true. This is true, but you know, most of the people, the vast majority of the people, they don't have that faith. They don't really understand how life works. And I would say that this is a problem. This is just main problem. The main problem people have in life. They can't believe in something until they have it. So many people, they just think, okay, when I will see this, when I will see results, then I will believe in it. But this doesn't work like this, because before materialization, before things materialize in life, we need to have faith, really deep faith, like babies, like children, because they don't have consciousness, they don't understand that life works differently when you have consciousness. I mean, children, kids, they trust in God without any doubts, because they know that somebody will care about them, somebody will give them food, will give them clothes, will give them everything they need. So they don't even worry about this because they don't understand that for adults, for us, life works differently. Yes, we worry about something, we have many doubts when we want to start something, etc. But kids, they don't have consciousness, they don't understand these things. But meanwhile, at the same time, they truly believe, they trust in something, and this power, this energy cares about them, and that's beautiful, no? Today there are so many mosquitoes, so many, I can't even sit without movements. But anyway, what I want to say once again, you can have many problems right now. Some of you already may know that I'm jobless already 6 months, but still I'm here, I'm alive somehow. Yes, I can't buy a luxury car, maybe I can't go to travel right now, I can't buy something I need, but somehow money comes, and even more money will come. Just we need to leave all our doubts, all our fears, and don't be worried about tomorrow. Don't be worried about tomorrow, don't be scared about something. And I should mention here also that all these things, our doubts, our prejudices, our fears, our misconceptions about life, they all appear just from our mind, from our ego. So this is the thing we need to leave. This is the thing we need to live during our life, which is not easy, of course, it's another topic, but this is something that doesn't allow us to live good life, because of our brain, our mind, our ego, we think that we have limits, we have fears, we have doubts, we have things that limit our existence and our possibilities, our potential to become the best version of ourselves. So I think just only one problem we can have in this life, it's just our ego. It's our pride, that we know how to live, that we know what to do, but we don't know that just if only we can trust God and leave our ego, our personality, life will be absolutely different. It will be something that can't be explained, I think, because our consciousness, God, spirit, or you can call it like you want, it's something that it's impossible to explain with words, you know. Sometimes I think if I would started my YouTube channel when I was teenager, for example, when I was even in university, for example, my life would be completely different, but I don't regret, because I understand that it's never too late, and you also need to remember this. So I'm still alive. There are so many mosquitoes here. I know it's not easy to believe when life shows you another side, dark side, let's say, when you have problems, when you have difficulties, when you have some obstacles in your life and you don't really understand, you don't really know how to solve them. It becomes so windy, by the way. But trust me, when you just stop thinking about this, when you will stop worrying, the solution will come. The solution will come and it will be resolved in magical way. And I have my personal experiences that can prove it in my life. I hope you can hear me because of this wind, but you know, actually after the gym today I couldn't resist the temptation to go out and take a walk and speak with you, sharing with you some in my opinion important insights. So just try to apply this in your life, try to trust God, And remember that just our consciousness exists. Just our consciousness exists in this life and nothing more. If you will think about this even more deeply, you will understand that even our bodies, they don't exist. Our minds, because before our birth, they didn't exist before, but now they exist. And this is just our ego, which we need to surpass in our life, to enjoy it 100%. You know, to be grateful for something we have, to get even more. And I think once again that this is something many people have problem with. Many people, they don't really realize that we are not just bodies and our minds. We are something more beautiful, something more precious, something that it's impossible to explain, something limitless, boundless, etc. So just trust God, just trust consciousness, and you will see very beautiful changes, very beautiful shifts in your life. I can promise you, because this is something that works always if you understand it properly. So thank you so much for being with me today in such a beautiful, however windy day. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for your activity, for your interest in my content. I'm grateful endlessly for your interest, for your engagement, because you are the motivation for me to keep growing this channel, to keep working on it, to make something beautiful in this life, to leave something beautiful behind me when I will die. Anyway, thank you once again. Wish you a good day. Take care, and as always, stay tuned for more content ahead. See you around.